Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about enumerations. Enumerations are naming constants which is used for giving constants to numeric value. When we want to refer some constant with particular name as well as numeric value, then we can use enumerations. Defining enumerations is similar to defining class. Enum keyword is used for defining enumerations. In enumeration, we have to define various constant which contains specific meaning. Here we have defined color enumeration which contains various colors. Let's create instance of these enumerations. We have created variable C of enumeration type and we are assigning value to enumeration type. Enum.constant is a syntax to access enumeration. By default, enumeration contains numeric value for each constant. We must have to explicitly cast to access numeric value of enumeration. Let's print each variable content. We can see in the output, first is a blue which we have printed using enumeration.blue, and second is the index or a position or a value numeric value of enumeration which is 2 of white. Now let's give our own numeric value to constant using assignment operator. We can see we have given red is equal to 5, so white value will be incremented by 2 and it contains 7. We can also give different value to different constants as per our need. So now green contains 3, so we will print color.green, then it will be printed 3 on the console screen. And let's check. We can see output is 3. We can also give same values to more than one constant, so it will contain same value. Thank you.